Hey guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of this mysterious package. But obviously, if you have seen the title of this video, you may already know what this is already. So without further ado, let's get down to the unboxing. Okay, hopefully I do not damage anything. Oh, what is this? This is a night light charger. There's like two USB plug. Oh, so basically this is a night light with a two USB output that you can actually charge stuff. I have to cut through the side. Okay, this is gonna be a messy thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, there you go. Okay. So the plastic is jammed up inside. Okay, looks interesting. Woo! Blue audio, powerful sound. What do you call that? Turbine. 5th generation earphone. Let's see what's behind here. I'm gonna take a screenshot over and put it up on the screen so that you guys can see in clearer details. Okay, you can see here there's a Bluetooth version 4.2. Driver is 57 mm. Standby time about 1000 hours standby time. So the Bluetooth music and talk is about 25 hours. This is amazing. 25 hours, that is huge. Normal Bluetooth earphone, normally I get the most is 5 hours. There's a rechargeable battery inside. Wow. Woo. So there's some active noise cancellation, and there's a rotatable design. ANC is the active noise cancellation, so you can actually see is it indicated as a noise cancellation. Pause play button, MF button, and LED indicator. Okay, so on the side you can see the turbine headphone drawstring. There's like some kind of back user manual or manual. Not manual. Manual. Okay, and there's a 3.5 mm Type C audio cable. This is a Type C charging cable. Whoa, I'm so excited. Okay, and take a look. Whoa, this is a huge one. Okay, to compare the size of this headphone, this is my usual headphone. This is the size of my usual headphone, and this thing is so huge. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay. The sponge at the side, it does have some kind of fox leather. Yeah, fox leather. It's not real leather, but it is soft and it's gonna be very comfortable. Now Type C charging is more and more popular right now, so just do take note about that. And let's take a look on the box itself. Okay, there's a Type C USB charging cable. There's a Type C to a 3.5 mm jack cable, and a little pouch with a drawstring to carry this headphone out. Okay, so I'm gonna test it out and let you guys know how good this is and whether is it worth to buy or not. And there is also a user manual. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot and let you guys see what exactly is on this, and so that you have a clear picture. So this is a very international manual. Upon inspection, there's not much of a labels on the device itself, so you really have to find out more about the buttons. But most of the buttons is very, I would say, very standard. I believe this is up and down for the volume. This is a noise cancellation button. This on-off button, and this I have to find out more about the button itself. So let's try to turn it on. As you can see, it immediately goes to ready to pair, and I'm going to pair it and let you guys see how I pair it with my iPhone. Okay, as you can see, the headset is actually pretty large. You can actually cover my whole ears. And when I turn on the active noise cancellation, it sounds like I'm wearing a muffle. So what I like about this Bluedio T5 wireless headset with microphone is obviously the battery life. It's about 20 to 24 hours battery life. From full charge to zero is about 24 hours. If you do not listen 24 hours, you can even last for a few days without charging again. I just finished my lunch, and after wearing the headphone for maybe 30 minutes, this is the amount of sweat that is accumulated on the headphone itself. It's not very uncomfortable, it's just that it's a bit wet, and just to take note about that. In Singapore weather, any foam itself will cause a little bit of discomfort over time because of the weather of humidity. The price itself is very affordable at GearBest. If you want to support me, you can click on the link below to buy it from my affiliate links in the description below. This is good for a long trip, like 2 or 3 days trips overseas, and this headphone is definitely the one to choose to bring along. It's definitely one of the best headset out there for affordable prices. Hey guys, thanks for watching until the end of the video, and you have a bonus voucher code for you to get this $2.99 worth of a LED charge light. You'll be able to get it at 99 cents, and you can actually use this to charge your devices. It's 5 volt 1000 milliampere, and this is very nifty. As you can see, you can turn off the LED night light when you do not need it, like for example this, and you can just switch it on, and when it's dark, it will automatically light up. And it is very good for people who do not like total darkness, and you can also use this to find the place where you can charge your devices. These are USB ports, which I use to charge my Bluedio T5 wireless headphone with microphone, which is pretty awesome. You can get this for the first 100 new buyers of GearBest, and the promo code I'll put in the description below. That means even if you're registered but you haven't buy, you can still use the promo code. So click on the link below to buy this $2.99 LED charge light, and use the promo code as shown below. You'll be able to get it at 99 cents, which is pretty awesome. Well, thank you very much for watching, and of course, thank you GearBest for sponsoring this video. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. See ya, bye bye.